Here's how to make your Roblox game R6 or R15 only in Roblox Studio. By default, Roblox lets players use either avatar type in your game, but if your game is built around a specific rig, you'll want to lock it to one type only. First, open Roblox Studio and load your game. At the top menu bar, click on Avatar, then select Avatar Settings. A pop-up window will open. In the top right corner of that window, click the three-dot menu. Here, you'll see three options: R15 only, R6 only, or allow both. Choose whichever one fits your game's design. If your game uses animations or scripts built around R15, go with R15 only. If you want that classic Roblox feel, choose R6 only. Once you've made your selection, adjust any other settings if needed, then click Save Changes. That's it. Your game will now only allow the character type you picked. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.